Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Beige MB text interior with a satin brown poplar wood trim. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 60,736 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.